Keeping up with household chores can feel like a never-ending task, but the right gadgets can make a world of difference. From smart cleaning tools to clever kitchen helpers, these game-changing devices are designed to save you time and effort. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most innovative Amazon gadgets that will simplify your daily routine. And as always, you can find all the links in the description below, so let's get started. Keeping your kitchen clean just got easier with this spill stopper lid. If you've ever dealt with boiling water overflowing onto your stovetop, you know how frustrating it can be. This heat-resistant silicone cover prevents spills by redirecting excess foam and steam, keeping your cooking area mess-free. Designed to fit most pots and pans, it's perfect for pasta, soups, and even microwaving leftovers. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just rinse it off or pop it in the dishwasher. A simple yet effective way to keep your kitchen spotless with zero extra effort. For a truly hands-free cleaning experience, this robot vacuum and mop does it all. It combines powerful suction with advanced mopping technology to tackle dust, pet hair, and spills with ease. Using precise home mapping, it navigates your floors efficiently, ensuring no spot is left untouched. The built-in HEPA filtration captures allergens, while the self-emptying base means weeks of maintenance-free cleaning. Whether you have carpets, hardwood, or tile, this smart cleaner adapts to different surfaces, giving your home a deep clean without lifting a finger. Upgrade your hygiene routine with this automatic soap dispenser. Featuring a built-in motion sensor, it dispenses soap without any contact, helping to maintain a germ-free environment. With 5 adjustable levels, you can control the amount dispensed, whether you're washing hands in the bathroom or tackling dishes in the kitchen. The large 17-ounce capacity means fewer refills, and its sleek, modern design complements any space. It's a small but significant addition to keep things cleaner and more convenient. Tired of streaky, hard-to-reach windows? This automatic window cleaning robot makes spotless glass effortless. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it securely attaches to the surface and intelligently navigates, covering every inch for a streak-free finish. Dual water spray technology loosens dirt and grime, while powerful suction keeps it steady. Whether you have high windows, glass doors, or large mirrors, this smart cleaner saves time and effort, eliminating the need for ladders and constant scrubbing. Just set it up, press start, and let it do the work. Keeping jewelry, eyeglasses, and small accessories sparkling has never been easier with this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Using high-frequency sound waves, it gently lifts dirt, oils, and buildup from delicate items without the need for harsh chemicals. The spacious stainless steel tank accommodates multiple pieces at once, making it ideal for rings, watches, earrings, and even dentures or small tools. Just add water, press a button, and in minutes, your valuables look as good as new. A must-have for effortless maintenance of everyday essentials. Tackle laundry day with ease using this collapsible laundry basket. With an impressive 11-gallon capacity, it holds a full load of clothes while maintaining a sleek, space-saving design. The comfortable, non-slip grip handles make carrying effortless, whether you're moving from room to room or heading to the laundromat. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage, perfect for small spaces. Durable and versatile, it's a practical upgrade for any home. Deep cleaning just got easier with this electric spin scrubber. Designed to tackle tough grime in bathrooms, kitchens, and more, this cordless scrubber features a powerful motor and interchangeable brush heads to reach every corner. From scrubbing tile and grout to removing soap scum from tubs and sinks, it takes the effort out of deep cleaning. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting use, and its lightweight design ensures a comfortable grip. Say goodbye to scrubbing by hand and hello to a faster, more efficient clean. For a chemical-free clean, this steam mop is a game-changer. It uses powerful steam to lift dirt and grime from sealed hard floors, including tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. With a lightweight build and an easy-to-remove water tank, it's designed for effortless maneuverability. The included dirt grip pads are machine washable, making maintenance simple. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or deep cleaning high-traffic areas, this steam mop keeps floors looking fresh without the need for harsh chemicals. Maximize your kitchen efficiency with this collapsible cutting board. Designed with an 8-liter capacity, it functions as a dish tub, draining basket, and cutting board all in one. The foldable design makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and outdoor adventures like camping or BBQs. It easily expands when needed and flattens down for compact storage. Whether you're washing vegetables, prepping meals, or draining pasta, this multifunctional tool saves space and simplifies food prep. Take hands-free cooking to the next level with this automatic pot stirrer. Perfect for soups, sauces, and stews, it self-adjusts to different pot sizes and stirs at variable speeds to prevent sticking and burning. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, and the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're multitasking in the kitchen or just want to avoid constant stirring, this tool is a convenient way to keep your dishes evenly mixed and perfectly cooked. cooked. Achieve precision cooking every time with this digital meat thermometer. Designed for instant and accurate readings, it delivers results in just 1 second with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The ultra-bright LED screen ensures visibility in any lighting, while the auto-rotate feature makes it easy to read from any angle. Built to handle kitchen and outdoor grilling needs, it's 100% waterproof for effortless cleaning. Whether you're cooking steak, smoking meats, or making candy, this thermometer ensures perfect results every time. Say goodbye to loose, wrinkled sheets with these adjustable bed sheet straps. Designed to keep your fitted sheets securely in place, these elastic fasteners use durable metal clips to grip tightly without damaging fabric. They're easy to install and work with any mattress size, ensuring a smooth, snug fit night after night. No more waking up to tangled sheets, just a firm, well-made bed every morning. Simplify your meal prep with this hands-free bag holder, perfect for pouring leftovers, snacks, or meal prep ingredients into storage bags without the mess. This stand securely holds bags open while you work. The adjustable arms fit a variety of bag sizes, keeping everything upright and stable. Whether you're storing soups, sauces, or dry goods, this tool makes kitchen tasks more efficient and spill-free. Enhance your cooking experience with this oil sprayer and dispenser. This 2-in-1 bottle lets you drizzle or mist oil with ease, giving you better control for healthier cooking. Made from premium glass and food-grade materials, it's perfect for air fryers, salads, frying, and grilling. The easy-to-use pump mechanism ensures even distribution, helping you cut down on excess oil while enhancing flavor. A must-have for every kitchen. Keep your car and home spotless with this handheld vacuum. Designed for powerful yet lightweight cleaning, it offers strong suction to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. The cordless design provides flexibility for hard-to-reach spaces, while the built-in LED light helps illuminate dark areas. Rechargeable and compact, it's perfect for quick cleanups in the car, office, or around the house. Transform your kitchen with this over-the-sink dish drying rack designed for sinks ranging from 30 to 33.9 inches wide. This stainless steel rack provides a large capacity solution for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware without taking up valuable counter space. It features dedicated compartments for plates, bowls, and even cutting boards, keeping everything organized while allowing water to drain directly into the sink. Sturdy and rust-resistant, it's built to last and can handle daily use with ease. Whether you have a small kitchen or just want to optimize your workspace, this multifunctional drying rack is a practical and stylish addition. Make peeling fruits and vegetables effortless with this electric peeler, featuring ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for quick and precise peeling. This handheld tool works on a variety of produce, including apples, potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers, saving time and effort in the kitchen. The 3-in-1 design includes a julienne and slicer attachment, allowing for easy preparation of different dishes. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort, while the compact size makes it easy to store. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for a family, or just want to speed up food prep, this peeler is a game changer for any kitchen. Keep your wardrobe neat and organized with this durable shirt folding board, a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. Made from high-quality plastic, this board allows you to fold shirts, sweaters, and even towels in seconds, creating uniform folds that reduce wrinkles and maximize storage space. Whether you're packing for a trip, organizing your closet, or simply want to speed up laundry day, this folding board delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. It's an excellent tool for families, retail workers, or anyone who wants perfectly folded clothes every time. Enjoy fresher, cleaner air with this compact air purifier, designed to improve air quality in bedrooms, offices, and other small spaces. Featuring a 3-in-1 filtration system, it effectively removes dust, pet dander, smoke, and odors, helping to create a healthier breathing environment. The built-in fragrance sponge lets you add essential oils for a calming and refreshing scent. With whisper quiet operation, it won't disrupt your sleep, making it ideal for use at night. Its sleek, space-saving design ensures it fits easily on desks, nightstands, or shelves. Bring convenience and style to your bathroom with these motion-activated toilet nightlights. Designed to automatically illuminate the toilet bowl when someone enters the room, they provide a soft, color-changing glow that makes nighttime bathroom trips easier and safer. Featuring 8 vibrant colors, you can choose a single hue or let it cycle through all the shades. Battery-operated and easy to install, these lights fit most toilet bowls and require no tools for setup. Keep your toothbrushes clean and dry with this wall-mounted toothbrush holder and cleaner. Designed with a rotating cover, this smart gadget uses light cleaning technology and a built-in fan to help eliminate moisture and maintain hygiene. The circular rotation ensures even drying, preventing bacteria buildup while keeping your bathroom organized. Easy to install and space-saving, this toothbrush holder is perfect for any modern bathroom, adding both convenience and cleanliness to your daily routine. Upgrade your home lighting with these motion sensor cabinet lights. Featuring 30 bright LEDs per bar, these lights provide efficient, motion-activated illumination for closets, cabinets, kitchens, or hallways. With magnetic mounting and USB rechargeability, installation is effortless. Simply attach them to any metal surface or use adhesive strips for a secure fit. These lights activate when motion is detected and automatically turn off to conserve energy, making them a practical solution for dark spaces without the hassle of wiring. Perfect for under-cabinet lighting, night lights, or any space that needs an instant glow. Declutter your shower space with this no-drill shower caddy. Designed with strong adhesive backing, this wall-mounted organizer provides a secure and damage-free way to store toiletries, keeping everything within reach. Rust-proof and durable, it's built to withstand moisture while maintaining a sleek, modern look. The included removable hooks offer extra storage for razors, loofahs, or washcloths. Whether you have a small bathroom or just want to tidy your shower, this organizer is an excellent space-saving solution. Stay organized with this slot-style key tag rack designed for easy key identification and storage. With 8 assorted colors, each key tag features a transparent label cover, making it simple to categorize keys for homes, offices, or rentals. The wall-mounted design ensures quick access while keeping keys secure and neatly arranged. Whether you're managing multiple sets of keys or just looking for a better way to keep track of them, this key holder is a practical and efficient addition to any space. Make perfect eggs every time with this rapid egg cooker. Whether you prefer hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, this compact appliance delivers consistent results in minutes. With an automatic shutoff feature and built-in alarm, there's no need to monitor the cooking process. It also includes a poaching tray and omelet maker, expanding your breakfast options beyond just boiled eggs. Ideal for busy mornings, meal prep, or anyone who enjoys eggs cooked to perfection with minimal effort. Keep your plants hydrated effortlessly with this 10-pack of self-watering spikes. Made from natural terracotta, these automatic watering spikes provide a steady supply of moisture to your plants by gradually releasing water into the soil. Simply fill a bottle, insert the spike, and let it do the work. No more worrying about overwatering or forgetting to water your plants. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardens, these spikes are an excellent choice for busy plant owners or frequent travelers who want to keep their greenery thriving with minimal effort. Precision meets convenience with this digital kitchen scale. Designed for baking, meal prep, and portion control, this scale measures ingredients in both grams and ounces, ensuring accuracy for every recipe. The 304 stainless steel surface is both durable and easy to clean, while the LCD display provides clear readings at a glance. Whether you're following a keto diet, tracking macros, or simply improving your cooking game, this scale is a must-have tool for any kitchen. Optimize your kitchen space with this roll-up dish drying rack. Measuring 17.6 inches wide and 15.4 inches long, this silicone-wrapped steel rack fits securely over your sink, allowing dishes to dry without taking up valuable counter space. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it doubles as a trivet for hot pots and pans, while its foldable design makes for easy storage. Whether you need a drying surface for dishes, a space to rinse vegetables, or a temporary counter extension, this multi-purpose rack is a game changer. Upgrade your spice organization with this auto-measure spice carousel. Featuring a sleek satin finish, this rotating spice rack holds multiple jars and dispenses a precise 1/4 teaspoon measurement with a simple twist, perfect for recipes that require accuracy. The compact design saves space while keeping your favorite seasonings easily accessible. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this spice carousel simplifies cooking while maintaining a tidy and organized kitchen. Open cans effortlessly with this smooth touch electric can opener. Designed to eliminate sharp edges, this automatic opener uses a smooth cutting mechanism to safely open both standard and pop-top cans with the push of a lever. The extra tall design accommodates larger cans, while the sleek black and chrome finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Ideal for those with arthritis or anyone who wants a faster, safer way to open cans, this tool makes meal prep a breeze. Chop, mince, and puree with ease using this compact yet powerful mini food processor. Equipped with 350 watts of power, this 3-cup chopper handles everything from vegetables to nuts and herbs with precision. The stainless steel blades make quick work of tough ingredients, while the simple one-touch operation ensures effortless use. Whether you're preparing salsas, baby food, or dressings, this food processor is the perfect kitchen companion for small batch cooking. Say goodbye to plastic wrap with these reusable silicone stretch lids. Designed to fit bowls, containers, and even cut fruits, these flexible covers create an airtight seal to keep food fresh longer. The durable, heat-resistant silicone makes them safe for microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers, offering an eco-friendly alternative to disposable wraps. With multiple sizes included, these lids stretch to accommodate various container shapes, reducing waste while keeping your kitchen organized. Easily remove pet hair and lint from furniture, clothing, and carpets with this self-cleaning lint remover. Featuring a double-sided brush, this tool traps loose fur, lint, and dust without the need for sticky tape or refills. The self-cleaning base quickly removes collected debris, making cleanup effortless. Whether you're tackling pet hair on your sofa or refreshing your wardrobe, this reusable lint remover is a must-have for a tidy home. Reach every corner with this extendable microfiber duster. With a 100-inch long pole, this duster makes it easy to clean high ceilings, ceiling fans, blinds, and furniture without the need for ladders. The bendable head adapts to different angles, while the ultra-soft microfiber bristles trap dust effectively. The lightweight washable design ensures long-term use, making household cleaning faster and more efficient. Remove wrinkles effortlessly with this handheld garment steamer. Featuring a 240-milliliter water tank and 700 watts of power, this steamer delivers strong, penetrating steam to refresh clothes, curtains, and upholstery in minutes. Its portable design makes it ideal for both home and travel use, while the quick heat-up function ensures fast results when you're in a hurry. Whether you're freshening up work attire or tackling stubborn creases, this steamer offers a convenient, chemical-free solution. With the right tools, even the most tedious chores become effortless. If you found something that caught your eye, don't forget to check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more smart home essentials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.